You can also use SimilarWeb to do competitive analysis. It's again a fantastic tool, but it's somewhat costly tool, but still you can use the free version. And you can see that this is a traffic overview. Let's say I want to do investigation on makemytrip.com. You can see these are the visits, average decision, bounce rate. Same thing we'll find in Alexa as well. Traffic by countries, so from which country people are coming. Now this is important traffic sources. Keep in mind this is on desktop, and get to know that maximum traffic is coming from search and then comes from direct. Someone is directly typing in a browser reaching to make my trip. Referral, this is coming from backlinks. This is from social media. This is for email marketing, and this is for display advertising. So you can see that you can uncover that how much traffic they're getting from which traffic sources. And if you can see that referring sites, which sites are referring, so these are the backlinks, these are the sites from where people actually coming to make my trip. And from make my trip, people goes to these sites as well. So this is important. And then you can see about search ads, and this is social. So let's say 2.03% is coming from our social media. You can see YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Quora, and LinkedIn. If you click here, you'll find a lot of details. Same thing, they also talk about display advertising. You can see these are some top ad networks, which is Google Display Network. Then come Taboola, AdMeta, WeCommission, Credo. So these are some network. You can see that they're also showing advertisement of mail.yahoo.com, which is again a part of GDN. So there are a lot of publishers where they're running advertisements. You can find all these details very easily. You can find interest of your audience and website related to. So these are all competitors, and these are some similar sites. So it's a fantastic tool. You can work on a lot of details, which is important. So that is important. You can do some more investigation. So if you want to compare, you can always compare, let's say Cleartree for example, and you'll get some more detail. You can see traffic, which one is having more traffic, where user is spending more time, who is getting more traffic from which source. You can get all these details. It's a fantastic tool using SimilarWeb. Thank you.